and it's so beautiful. There's an Air Canada. Is that an A330? A320's taking off, or maybe an A319. Right there. Looks like an A319. Stupid yacht hotel. I can't pronounce it. Blocks the view. So does this bridge. Oh my god. Oh, there it is. It's beautiful. Absolutely stunning airport. Look at the air traffic control tower. It's beautiful. Yeah, the only airport that I can think of being more beautiful than this is probably Dubai. Their airport is so luxurious. Some more terminals. Yeah, I like it though. I want to fly out of here tomorrow. But if we can't find a flight, that's okay, but still beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Huge planes out there. This stupid bridge blocked the view of a... Oh my gosh, this bridge. There it is. It's a bit blurry on here. There you go, it's not that blurry anymore. So...
I know, but
Oh, American Airlines has a cargo thing. I still can't believe they do.